Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you these 100 pieces of reusable mason jar bags. So I do want to thank the company weiwei for actually gifting this to me. So what we essentially have here are 100 pieces of mason jar bags that look like this. And so it measures around like 5 by 6 inches. And what's neat about these bags is that they are washable. You can see what's inside each of the bags. And once you fill up the bags, they actually are able to stand up. So what that looks like is you can see how wide the hole opening is over here. And then once you fill the bag up, it is able to kind of stand up against one another. In addition to that, it is airtight proof. It is leak proof. This is great for kitchen storage, camping storage, and freezer storage. So even if you're out on a camping trip or you're going out for a picnic, you can imagine that the multitude of uses for these bags is plentiful. So with that, you can store candies, peanuts, and other food storage items using these bags. You can see that it comes in a pack of 100. So with it, I've had no problems with it whatsoever.